Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we finally have the full release of the 2019 Spin Master Monster Jam singles poster for 1/64 scale. This has been highly anticipated and was very unexpected. I thought this was going to come out mid-year, although we're kind of almost halfway there. We only need to get to June to be technically halfway through the year. It actually was released just a couple days after World Finals, which also tends to happen with tended to happen with the Hot Wheels Monster Jam posters, so maybe they're kind of trending off that. Anyway, today we have a lot of things to cover, so I'm going to go fairly quickly here just so we can get this done with enough time to spare. So we're going to start here up at the top, the arena favorites. Of course, we have Bakugan Dragonoid coming very soon in the next case. Mix 4 just reached stores, so Mix 5 is next up, and Bakugan Dragonoid is set to be released in there. The windshield has been changed from green to black, or a dark gray, and the rims have been changed from a chrome red to a solid red. Those were off the original prototype pre-production truck. And now we also have Stinger Unleashed finally getting an accurate body style. We have the new decals. The original prototype from the New York Toy Fair showed a little bit different decals, but now it has the accurate ones. And the chassis and rim color has been changed from blue to gray, and the rims have been changed from gray, I believe they were gray or something else, to black now. So that was a request by Zane himself. He actually told Spin Master and asked them if they can change them, and they did. So that will be on the final product, which also comes out in Mix 5. And for Mix 6, we have Time Flies. It is the yellow one. We did see the prototype black, but I think they pushed that one or canceled that. We saw that in the Revved Up Recaps video, episode 1 by Monster Jam and Spin Master. You can check that video out on their YouTube. They do have a few sneak peek images of some new stuff coming later this year as well in that video. But here's Time Flies. They did an amazing job with this casting, although I still think the shocks would be better molded onto the truck instead of cut in. It does match the Wildflower, which makes this fit in a little more than the Wildflower did by itself. So now they're both together, and yes, it does have the grille printing and accurate headlights and all that stuff. So it looks pretty cool in my opinion. I cannot wait to get the yellow Time Flies, and that was unexpected because I remember it was supposed to be the black one, but I guess they changed that last minute. And also, Bad News Travels Fast. I believe that's in Mix 6 or 7. I'm assuming it's probably 6 because we have to get through this Arena Favorite series. So there's Bad News Travels Fast with the black body style. It does have Brian Z. Patton's logo on the negative spacebar. That's something he actually worked with the driver and the team and signed on with Spin Master to do. So you guys will see Brian Z. Patton, the famous collector. His logo will be on this truck for final production. I cannot wait to see how that turns out. So that's a little sneak peek, something he told me to tell you guys. And Iron Outlaw, finally, the 2 Extreme Iron Outlaw is getting a release with the brand new body style. I cannot wait. This is probably my favorite of the 2 Extreme racing trucks for this year. It looks like it will have chrome red rims. I'm not sure if those will be final product or not. That's kind of just what the render looks like. So there's the Iron Outlaw. It looks amazing. I cannot wait. And the Ice Cream Man, a little bit interesting of a design here. Not many people were expecting it to keep the white roll cage and white rims, but I guess they decided to keep them anyway. The brown tires are supposed to represent cones, and the inner rim are supposed to represent vanilla ice cream, I'm assuming. Also, it has a blue chassis from this render image, a white roll cage in the standard body. And Alien Invasion getting a second release in the singles this year. This time it has the green Beadlocks gray rims with a green roll cage and gray chassis. Earthshaker has the yellow beadlock and black rim, just like Brodozer, and you can see between the bed and the cab, they actually printed in black, so the space between where it usually is yellow, they decided to make it black, just like how it should be, so it kind of makes it look like there's more space there than there is. So they painted in that middle part, and I'm glad they did. And then they have the Radical Rescue coming out yet again for singles this time. And I think this one looks so much better than the doubles pack because it has this nice red inner rim with a yellow beadlock around it. We do have some stuff from Crazy Creatures, which of course is Horsepower. So Horsepower is coming out, and Jurassic Attack as well. These two are new concepts. Well, Jurassic Attack has been seen in Hot Wheels Monster Jam before. It has a little more accurate casting in Spin Master. The horns are way bigger, just like the real truck had. And Horsepower is a new concept by Monster Jam and Spin Master. It is a horse body with 3D ears and a 3D mane and tail, and of course that nice 3D mouth. It's going to be a very cool truck to see, and I cannot wait to see how it turns out. It also has horseshoe-like beadlock, so gray on brown, so it kind of represents the hooves, and the horseshoes, so you can see their horsepower. And then in Nitro Neons, we have some new trucks. Of course, a lot of the Nitro Neons were not shown off in the poster originally. Soldier Fortune has been updated to be the actual design that was released, so it has the new chassis, the roll cage, rims, and tires. And of course, Zombie, the first time we're seeing Zombie with a red roll cage, red tires, and gray rims. And then Pirate's Curse has a gold roll cage, black rims, yellow tires, yellow sword, and yellow dagger. And Megalodon has a blue roll cage with a blue window, blue tires, and a black rim color to that. I think that's one of my favorite ones. And also Max D has an orange roll cage, orange tires, and black rims. And my favorite of the Nitro Neons for this year, Son of Digger with the nice indigo purple chassis to match the side panel, and of course the blue tires and black rims. So that's the Nitro Neons, the conclusion of that series. Mix 4 doubles had a lot of Nitro Neon variants, so they kind of match up with that series there. And right underneath that, we have the Danger Divas. The Gravedigger is finally revealed for Danger Divas, and it's only a pink-rimmed variation. A lot of people were kind of upset about that. I do think that they should do a pink Gravedigger in the future. That's kind of what people were expecting, but we just received some pink rims on the Gravedigger. So, you know what? It is what it is for this year. They've been doing a lot of new stuff lately and a lot of corrections, so I will cut them some slack for not doing a pink Gravedigger, and I hope you guys agree with me on that. And Wildflower in singles finally receiving the correction we all wanted to see. The grill printing is finally there with the flower, of course, filling in that middle spot. And the purple roll cage that has been added on, it looks like a dark indigo. It might be blue on final production, I'm not sure. And pink rims are finally back again. And the infamous W is finally revealed in concept form. So due to the fact that Marvel has been contracted with Mattel, and Marvel has a supervillain called Whiplash in toy vehicle form, they cannot produce Whiplash as a toy vehicle, unfortunately, so they had to compromise. The compromise was chosen to be W, so basically they just took off everything else besides the W from Whiplash and put it onto the truck, on the roof and the side panels. The hood and the tailgate already said W, so it kind of fits in well with those colors already. And you can see the rest of the decals are just like the normal Whiplash truck, just with the W on the side panels and roof instead. And the rims, of course, matching the body. I think it looks super clean for what it is, and I'm very happy that we at least get some kind of diecast representing the Whiplash truck. And by the way, Brianna did amazing at World Finals 20. I'll talk about that in my World Finals Experience video coming later, hopefully this week. And the most interesting, I think, concept of the Danger Divas of the entire series, and people are really like, whoa, it is the Sparkle Smash, originally called Unicorn, now called Sparkle Smash. You can see it is the horsepower body with a plastic horn inserted to the mane and stuff. So a little bit different of a plastic insert there, but it is a very bright and sparkly truck. I'm sure the girl fans and some of the guy fans, including myself, will like to collect these cool looking Danger Diva trucks. Of course, this is one of the more special ones of the series. So you can see there with the shiny purple roll cage, purple rims, and that interesting glittery body with a pink windshield. So that's going to be one big seller, I believe, for the girls. And of course, there's a lot of other Danger Divas to look forward to besides the Sparkle Smash. And the conclusion of Overcast series, you can see there we have Dragon, which will be coming along with Blue Thunder in Mix 5. Blue Thunder finally receiving the F-150 headlights and also the MonsterJam.com logo in the front grille area. And El Toro Loco has been revealed finally. You can see the logo is in color and the hood flames have a faint yellow color to them. The rest is all black and white. And following along that kind of same pattern, we have the Inverse trucks, finally all of them being revealed in concept form. You can see Higher Education, instead of being a yellow bus, it is now black, and any black stripes or black lettering has been changed to yellow. The tires have been changed from black to yellow, and the rims have been changed from yellow to black. The Monster Mutt Dalmatian, my personal favorite of this series, has been changed from white to black. The spots and eyebrows, ears, and tail have all been changed to white from black as well. And the collar has been changed from red to blue, and the collar stones have been changed from blue to red. Same thing goes with the rims and tires, all that stuff, just flipped around. And of course, the Gravedigger, really surprising me here. I wasn't expecting this, but you can see here the paint from black to white, the flames from green to purple, and of course the ghost and the side panel with the graveyard has been changed. Pretty much purple has been switched to green, and green has been switched to purple. And of course the tires from black to white. Training trucks, there has been 4 new ones released on the render for the poster. So you can see there we have the Gravedigger with the Mix 5 assortment. The Earthshaker, never before seen until now. You can see it has a white roll cage, gold kind of bronze rims with white BKT printing, black tires, and of course that nice Earthshaker cab with some dirt on the side of it. The Zombie, which has the zombie face on the hood, the red kind of maroon roll cage, kind of like a dried blood look, a gray cab, gray tires, red BKT printing, and black rims. And then Dragon, which has the Dragon logo, of course, with the light green roll cage, dark gray tires, orange BKT printing, and of course the chrome green rims. So that will be coming out later this year in December for the final mix of the year. And next up we have the World Finals truck. So we already knew Nomad Avenger was coming out, and yes, it is missing its hood printing on the render, but it does have it on the actual product, so don't worry. But we did not know what the World Finals Gravedigger was going to be, and it turns out it was going to be the Morgan Kane Gravedigger. So there it is right there, the orange Gravedigger returning to Spin Master for the first time ever, and we will now be receiving that again. And then the Forces of Nature trucks. Of course, we knew what Hurricane Force looked like because it came out earlier this year, but now we have the Blue Thunder with those F-150 headlights, so they have corrected the headlights from the Escalade style to the actual headlights that they should be. And I expected to get MonsterJam.com printed on the grille. It's just missing on this render. And of course it has a black roll cage and some new style rims, kind of like the lightning, the lighting effect around the lightning. That's kind of what they look like. And the final series, some of the most shocking ones, the Retro Rebels. You can see there the Gravedigger, the Legend, looks amazing. But the ones we are concerned about are the Avenger and Cyclops. So Avenger is getting re-released again with a more accurate tampo. So you can see there it has some more detail to the tampos, a little more than what the previous one had in the Legacy trucks. It is the same body style, but it is not the same casting. So basically Spin Master set out and they purchased some rights to make a similar Chevy body. So they got a Chevy tooling mock-up, not exactly a Chevy tooling, but something very similar to it, and that is the S10 style tooling for Spin Master. No longer will we have Chevy bodies on that standard pickup truck. We will have them on this special S10 style body, and you can see the headlights there and of course the grille. So that will be coming out later this year. I'm not sure what mix that's planned for, but it looks amazing. And then of course the most shocking truck of Retro Rebels, I think personally this year, is Cyclops. So Cyclops is coming out with this newer body style with the eyeball and this beautiful casting. Looks amazing. I can't believe they added the eyeball on there. That's probably going to be my favorite Retro Rebels this year, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like in final product form. So with that said, that is the wrap up of the 2019 Spin Master Monster Jam 1/64 scale poster for singles. This year has been amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys are most excited for in the comments below, and let me know what you guys think was the most surprising on this poster reveal for you guys. There has definitely been a lot of surprises here today. So until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan, Monster Jam OCD, signing out.